picture and I want you to observe it. Now class, what do you see in the picture? Okay, Louisa?
There are animals, teacher.
Okay, very good. What else? Okay, Ruben?
The mouse is scared. The lion.
The mouse is scared by the lion. What else? Okay, Marie?
Si lion, teacher, kay murag nasuko kay mouse.
Okay, very good. All of your answers are correct. Are you familiar with the story, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. What do you know about these animals? Can you raise your right arm? Okay, Ruben.
Teacher ka na si mouse teacher tayo. Kabangan si lion teacher ka pagkito na ako.
Okay, very good. And let us give ourselves a 5 clubs. So today, we'll find out what happened when the lion met a mouse and how can we summarize the story events. But before that, there are some unfamiliar words that we can read in our story. Let's find out what it is. But first, let us read the direction. Everybody please read.
Choose the correct meaning of the underlined word in each sentence.
Encircle the letter of the correct answer.
First one. Everybody, can you read?
The mighty lion was sleeping peacefully in the forest.
What is the underlined word, class?
Mighty.
Everybody say mighty.
Mighty.
Okay, letter A. You like? Now, class, what do you think is the meaning of the word mighty? Letter A. Everybody please read.
Big.
Wait.
B strong. C small. D lazy.
Okay, what is the meaning of mighty? Okay, Lisa.
Strong, teacher.
Okay, strong is correct. So the meaning of mighty is strong. Next, we have, everybody please read.
The lion caught the tiny creature with his huge paw.
What is the underlined word, class?
Caught.
Everybody please say caught.
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 Okay. Letter A.
A released. B held or trapped. C ignored. D is scared.
Okay, what is the meaning of the word caught? Okay, here it goes.
B teacher held or trapped.
Okay, very good. That is correct. The meaning of the word caught is held or trapped. Next one is, everybody please read.
The lion laughed at the idea of a small mouse helping him.
What is the underlined word, class?
Laugh.
Everybody please say laugh.
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 Okay, we have the meaning letter A. Can you read?
Smile. B cried. C shouted. D got angry.
What is the meaning of the word laugh, class? Okay, Lisa.
Smile, teacher.
Okay, correct. The meaning of the word laugh is smile. Number 4, we have, everybody please read.
The lion was caught in a hunter's net.
What is the meaning of the underlined word, class? Any other hands? Okay, Mary Lee.
B teacher, traps made of ropes.
Okay, your answer is correct. The meaning of the underlined word, the underlined phrase is, the caught in the hunter's net is trap made of ropes. Fifth, we have, everybody please read.
The mouse used its sharp teeth to chew through the ropes.
What is the underlined word, class?
Chew.
And the meaning of true is? Okay, Relisa.
Break by biting, teacher.
Okay, the meaning of the word true is? Break by biting. Very good. Sixth, we have, everybody please read.
The lion roared loudly, trying to break free.
What is the underlined word, class?
Roared.
Everybody please say roar.
Roared.
Roar.
Roared.
Everybody please read the letter A.
Whispered. B cried softly. C
mouth sound. Very good, Ruben. Next we have, everybody please read.
The lion and the mouse became good friends.
What is the underlined phrase? Pupils?
Good friends.
And we have letter A.
Enemies. Be playmates. See close companions. Be strangers.
What is the meaning of the underlined phrase? Okay, Artiza. Okay, your answer is correct. The meaning of good friends phrase is close companions. Okay. Then, very good, class. So today we're going to talk about some.
Sige, balik. Ikat lang ha.
Very good, class. So today we're going to talk about summarizing story events. But before that, there are some rules that we need to follow. Everybody, please read.
Stay engaged. Teamwork matters. Organize ideas. Respect time and materials. Your best effort counts.
And I expect this from you, class.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, class. Try to look around inside here in our classroom. What did you notice? Yes, DJ.
Teacher, nasa yung mga station teacher.
Okay. Here in our classroom, we are composed of different stations. The first station is the computer center. The second station is the art center. The third station is the journal writing center. The fourth is the reading center, and the last is the manipulative center. With the same group, all you need to do is to choose a leader who is responsible for leading in your group. And after that, I want you to proceed to your specific station that is composed of a specific activity that you need to follow. And after that, after you're done doing this assigned task in that specific station, you need to go to another station. Stop there. When you hear the bell rung, that's the time that you need to go to another station. Am I understood, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, you may now go to your respective stations. You can read the instruction so that
Using the pictures provided in the folder, create a PowerPoint presentation. Arrange the evidence and track sequence of evidence on the story. Save your complete presentation.
you may now proceed to the next station. Read the instruction.
The lion is sleeping in the forest. A tiny mouse runs across his paw. Caption: a little mouse gently waves the lion. The lion. That is creepy.
Morning. You can utilize this story map only within your group.
In the forest. A tiny mouse runs across his paw.
Use this country as your
Runs across his paw.
Tayo na kayo para makita mo.
Huwag tayo telling ba? Dala yun naman. Marata?
Okay, kindly Put your group's name and the title of the book.
Title of the book is Group 1. Select si teacher, dili na teacher.
Inyo, pwede niyo dalon. I-present niyo niya dito. The station 5.
Read the story The Lion and the Mouse. The Lion and the Mouse, a tale of friendship, courage, and kindness. One day, a mighty lion was sleeping peacefully in the forest. A little mouse ran across his path. Waking him up, the lion caught the tiny creature with his huge beak. Please let me go, begged the mouse. Someday I will help you. The lion laughed at the idea of the small mouse helping a big lion, but he decided to let the mouse go free. A few days later, the lion was caught in the hunter's net. He roared loudly, trying to break free. Hearing his roar, the mouse ran to help. The mouse used his sharp teeth to chew through the ropes until the lion was free. You laughed when I said I could help, said the mouse. But now you see that even a small friend can be a great help. That day on, the lion and the mouse became good friends.
Okay, since you've already done reading the story, you need to answer the following questions. Here are the questions. Can you write the answer here in the paper? Can you also put the group number?
The lion and the mouse. Number 2, in the forest. The lion is
What problem did the lion face?
the lion was trapped by trapped.
Yes.
Nakot ang lion. Caught by the hunter's net.
Sentence.
Number 4, guy.
How did the mouse help solve
The
the
mouse
problem?
chew the rope. No. Don't underestimate the small creature. Or
Small butter.
even a tiny creature can help. Lion. The big creature. Even the smallest creature. The tiny creature. Give big. Yay! We're done,
Okay, since
teacher.
you're done, we can now proceed to the third station. The journal or writing. Okay, can you read the instruction?
Write a short summary of the lion and the mouse based on the given picture.
Yay!
Go.
The one is peacefully sleeping. The lion was peacefully sleeping. Tapos the number 2 is before you, the mouse accidentally waking up. The The game name view sa three kind of pictures provided. The lion is also manipulation.
The lion got
The events of the story.
The lion and the mouse become friends. The lion and the mouse became friends.
Number 4, the mouse.
The lion and the mouse became friends.
The lion and the mouse is nag-istorya is talking and making o kanang discussion or conversation. Making a
The lion
conversation.
and rat is making
A conversation.
having
Having a conversation. After that,
the lion was
the
trapped.
lion was
By the answers na.
Uy, di na after that, the lion was caught. Sa
The
rin
lion was caught. Rope
the rope, diretso na rope, tapos,
by the rope.
na,
By the
naging help, diretso na siya naging friend. Ay, pagkawangan na, nawala na din ang rope kay ano lang din niya. At the end, ako lang, the rope,
The lion and the mouse became friends.
Uy nga na,
The mouse.
because the mouse help.
him.
The mouse help. Wow, so smart. Punish
The lion.
the rope,
The lion and the mouse. Becomes close to friends.
Before you start, can you read the instructions? Provide learners.
Okay, since you're already done with the station 3, you can now proceed to the second station, the art station. Can you read the instruction, everyone?
Divide your paper into 3 short panels like a comic strip. Draw and color each scene based on the story. Add a short sentence under each one describing what happens.
Okay, we can utilize these materials. Before Piliya, the Peltica, and the Here are the panels that you can follow.
We are here in
Climax,
A tale of friendship, courage, and kindness. One day.
Okay, now you can proceed to the next center, which is the journal writing. Kindly read the instruction number 1.
Peacefully. Until the
Drawing.
ran
Until
through
the
his paw. The mouse until the mouse ran through his paw. Paws or paw? Paw. The mouse got angry. The lion got angry.
Ito mo nag-best.
Okay, class, since you already done doing all the activities in each station, we will going to check all your outputs. So we'll go into the station 1. For the station 1, the computer center, I already checked all your outputs, and all your outputs are correct. So each group will receive 10 points.
So class, in the same group, we have now another activity. With the same group, using the graphic organizer below, you will create a story summarizing concepts, identifying the character, the setting, problem, solution, moral, using the story, the ant, and then the trapper. So this will be the group. This will be the group 1. And this will be the group 2.
Moral. Setting diagram.
Pundo ako.
Anong lablab? Always pundo.
Anong pundo? Oh, kata. Oh.
Always store. Wala na. Always. Wala na.
Always store food. Oh.
Always store. And forever.
Forever lang. Forever lang.
Never live on.
Bili ka.
Once you're done, you may place your work in front.
Tutod ka, mag-demo ng EPP ha. Balik ka. Lagi pa okay gabi eh. Ba't lagi pa okay gabi eh? Ganis ba niya sa lagi pa okay gabi eh?
Okay. Si DJ, ano kasi? Si DJ.
Ako kay si Vanessa teacher.
Each group will choose one representative to explain their answers. Okay, for group 1 and for group 2.
Vanessa ang teacher ko.
Vanessa mo siya. Teacher ng siya.
Teacher ko na bata.
Good morning. I am the representative of group 1.
I am the representative of group 1.
The story ang
The story is the ant and the grasshopper. So one Sunday, a grasshopper. Kanta magbukong ka ni?
ay, nabasa. Dito na nagbasa ka ng dalawa yan. No?
The title, The Ant and the Grasshopper. So the character is the ant and the grasshopper. So the setting is in the house brown. Moral lesson: always store food, always at forever. Problem: grasshopper has no food to eat. Solution: be active, don't be lazy. Okay, group 2. So this is the graphic organizer of the group 2. So the title is The Ant and the Grasshopper. So the characters are the ant and the grasshoppers, and the setting is in the home. The problem of the story is when the rainy season came, grasshopper had no food and nowhere to stay. And the solution is store food and be prepared. And the moral lesson of the story is always be ready and don't be lazy. So, the both groups got the correct answer. The main characters are the ant and the grasshopper. The setting is in the house or the home. And the problem, the grasshopper has no food to eat since he was being lazy. Then the solution, the ant and the grasshopper must store food before winter so that in time of winter, he has food to eat. Then, the moral lesson, always store food, always. Then, always be ready and don't be lazy. Now, since you all got the correct answer, we'll move to another activity. Below are the 5 sentences. All you have to do is to number it 1 to 5 from the beginning to the end of the story. Goodbye. So class, get 1/4 sheet of paper and answer this activity. Done, teacher. Are we done, class?
Yes, teacher.
For your assignment, choose a... So that's all for today, class. Goodbye and thank you.